Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the 2 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Kumar Priyadarshan located in Pashan, Pune by Kumar Properties. Looking to buy a home but why do physical site visit? Housey brings to you the unique concept of online site visit with project unboxing videos, actual site tours, 360 building views and complete cost sheet with payment breakup. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So save the time and simplify your home buying process. Visit housey.com now.
Hello and welcome to Housey. Today we are here at Kumar Priyadarshan and we are going to see their 2 BHK apartment which is of approximately 700 square feet. So please come inside and let's see this flat. This is the living area and it comes with this balcony over here which is an approximate triangle shape you can call it, which is a very cute thing as per architecture. Now what I really liked about this apartment is that they have not clubbed the living area and the dining area. So the dining area is provided over here in the kitchen and making the kitchen even more spacious. The kitchen has an L-shaped granite slab over here with this plumbing fittings and this additional granite over here for your utilities. There's a pretty big window and the dining area is also being provided over here. Through this aisle, we notice that here is the kids' bedroom and the common toilet and bath area placed right opposite each other. So let's take a look at the kids' bedroom first. The kids' bedroom comes with that additional loft over there for storage spaces. Now right opposite the kids' bedroom is this common toilet and bath area, which comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings. In the kitchen, we noticed that there was no dry balcony, so here there is an additional space for your washing machines. Every little detail has been taken care of, just like Housey takes care of every little detail that you need to know while buying any apartment. So when you're buying any apartment, what do you need to do? You need to do a tour of the apartment. How do you do that? Well, at Housey, you do that virtually. Not just that, when you want to really go and see the apartment that you have liked, all you have to do is call up your dedicated relationship manager who will take you on site visits. All of this and much more on housey.com. For that, you need to register yourself on housey.com now. Well, let's take a look at this 700 square feet flat, which appears to me more like a 1000 square feet flat, and I am absolutely in love with it. So this over here is the master bedroom, which comes with an attached toilet and bath to it. The CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings, and the anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles give it an amazing look. Now my favorite place in this house is this really big balcony. Well, to me it feels more like a terrace more than a balcony because it's really big and it comes with these cement railings for your security and safety. Don't forget that you saw this property on housey.com. Thank you very much.
So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Kumar Priyadarshan located in Pashan, Pune by Kumar Properties. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.